Today, we're going to take a clear and calm look at the Nipah virus.
So, what is this virus all about? Well, it's caused a few known outbreaks, mostly in Asia. It's a zoonotic virus, which just means it jumps from animals to people. Let's look at its history.
So, it was first spotted back in 1999. Since then, outbreaks have popped up in a few places.
Okay, so the natural home for this virus, well, that would be the fruit bat.
This is the big question, right? How does it actually spread from bats to people?
Basically, there are three main pathways: from bats, from other animals, and then between people.
And yeah, that person-to-person spread, it's usually through very close contact with someone who's sick.
So what should you look for? Well, the very first signs can look a lot like the flu.
But then, as it progresses, neurological symptoms can start to show up. In severe cases, it can cause brain swelling or encephalitis, which can happen very quickly.
And it's not just the brain. Severe breathing problems can also be a part of it.
So how long does it take to get sick? Usually about 2 weeks, but it can be longer.
This number represents the fatality rate, which can really vary a lot depending on the outbreak.
For those who survive, a full recovery is possible, but some can face long-term neurological issues.
Because those early signs are so common, you really need a lab test to know for sure.
This is usually done with a test called RT-PCR, which finds the virus's genetic code. Right now, there's no specific vaccine or drug for Nipah. That's why prevention is so important. Instead, doctors use what's called supportive care. That means managing symptoms and helping the body fight.
All right, since prevention is everything, what can we actually do? Let's get into the specifics.
To avoid getting it from bats, simple food safety is your absolute best bet. And when it comes to other animals, it's all about being cautious, especially in outbreak areas. And for person-to-person spread, basic hygiene, like hand washing, makes a huge difference. Okay, let's quickly bust a few common myths that are out there about Nipah.
Myth 1. It only comes from pigs. Nope. Fruit bats are the original natural source.
Myth 2. You can't get it from another person. Not true. Close contact is a known risk.
And the last myth, all fruit from an area is bad. Not at all. It's all about careful prep.
So after all that, what's the one thing you really, truly need to remember? It's simple. If you're worried about symptoms after a possible exposure, please get medical advice right away.